I have been in short NQ here. I'm looking to see us take out that low. I also am in low size due to it being a Monday. I'm going to let this trade play out. All right, as we come straight towards this low, I'm going to look to scale out along the way just to be careful, just because it's a Monday. Usually action will be very choppy, very teasy. It'll sometimes go and take the low, it sometimes won't. So I'm looking to scale out along the way, and there we go. All right, here we go. We're starting to displace lower. All right, I'm out one there, and I'm looking to hold this to the last low. My stop is at break even now. I'm probably going to get stopped out of break even, and right there I am stopped at break even. I'll look to give longs a stab inside of this imbalance if we can tap into it, as we are tapping into it right now. I'm going to look to target that high. I'm pretty sure that's going to get met as our final target. So I am now filled long 034, looking to target 050. My stop is at 028. This is about a 3R trade. I've already scaled out one near the high. I'm looking to scale out most, or actually all my position as soon as we take that high out, which is going to come right here. There we go. All right, I'm all out of my position. How's it going, everybody? So you guys just saw the two live trades that I took. One was an okay setup, and the other one was much better in terms of quality. Now I want to show you guys my pre-market plan, my thought process going into today, and pretty much my analysis throughout the entire day. So on a bigger time frame, I wanted to see us rebalance. We've been running up for the past 2-3 weeks, pretty much a month, and I just wanted to see a pullback for the most part, rebalance to then move higher towards the end of the week. So it did look like a 4-hour market maker sell model was starting to play out. So I wanted to see this push off the open as the manipulation move for us to move lower, and this is where my first trade came about. We pulled back into this 1 minute fair value gap. I like the rejection here. Took this short, did not mind taking this at all. I was aware of this 1 minute fair value gap right here, and I wanted to see this low as the final target. we did come into this, and as soon as this wicked, I got out, and then I sold the other one right here, pretty much in profit. Small profit here. I knew that as soon as we held this, we're gonna probably push higher, and this is where my second trade came about. As we pushed higher here, we took out this high, we came lower here and held this 1 minute bullish PD array, and then we ran through this bearish 1 minute PD array, and I knew from there that we were gonna go see this draw before doing anything else. And this is what I want you guys to get out of this video, of having a confident draw on liquidity. Once you have a confident draw on liquidity, you can literally take a PD array of some sort to target that draw, knowing that that draw is going to get met before anything else happens. Because my pre-market plan, like I said, was I wanted to see us move lower. I wanted to see us rebalance lower. However, this trade did not align with my higher time frame bias, and that's okay because I know that this is the draw on liquidity on an intraday model, and I can take a trade to target that draw. So this is where my second trade came about. This was a much better quality setup, knowing that this is the draw on liquidity, knowing that this is where we're gonna go and where we're gonna take before heading lower or doing anything else. So this 1 minute imbalance got created. It was opened. I took this long at 0.34 risk and 0.28. So that's 6 points, targeting 0.50, and that's about 16. So that's a 2.8 R trade, to say the least. And this happened very quickly. You can see we pushed higher. This was just a choppy Monday action. I did size down. You can see how we didn't want to take this high to start. So as we moved down lower, I thought it was going to come stop me out, as we did open a 5 minute bullish fair value gap, but finally I did take one off at this high, knowing that this kind of looked like a 3-drive bearish pattern. So I had to protect myself a bit. We then finally came up, took this out, and I got out fully, and we pushed lower, came back into a 5 minute, held that, and then displaced higher. You can just see how Monday action is just very choppy. We're just all over the place in terms of action, and you should have to be very selective and cautious. But like I said, what I wanted you guys to get out of this video was, once you guys have a confident draw on liquidity, you can literally take a trade to target it. Like I said, this didn't align with my higher time frame bias, but I knew this is where we're gonna go before we potentially move lower, as we did. So I knew that I could take a trade inside this, knowing that this got respected, knowing what's being disrespected, what's being respected. Bullish PD arrays are getting respected throughout the entire day, and I know I can take this low risk to target this high, which eventually got hit. And I'll show you guys in the 5 minute here what I mean by Monday action, because Monday action was very, very choppy. Just ignore that for now. I'm all over the place. Here we go. You can just see how choppy Monday action is. Look at these wicks. I mean, we're just in a range. We come take this high, we displace back into the range. We come take this high out, displace back into the range. We move higher, take this high out, come back into the range. You guys just see, how range bound, how choppy. And just on a Monday, you just have to be more selective, or just on days like these in general, you just have to be much more selective in terms of the trades that you take. But that's going to do it, guys. If you guys did appreciate or like the analysis, the live trading, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, guys. I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. If you guys want to join the team, link is in the description below, Trading Ventures. I hope to see you guys all there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace.